There are moments in life when everything feels uncertain. Plans fail, dreams are delayed, the future becomes unclear. In those moments, many people ask, why is this happening to me? But sometimes, the greatest blessing is hidden inside the greatest test. Allah sees what we cannot see. He knows every tear that falls, every silent prayer, every sleepless night. Nothing escapes His knowledge. The believer understands that every hardship has a purpose. Some tests remove sins, some strengthen faith, some protect us from dangers we never knew existed. When Prophet Ayyub lost his health and wealth, he remained patient. When Prophet Yunus found himself in darkness, he turned to Allah. When Prophet Yusuf was betrayed, imprisoned, and forgotten, Allah was preparing him for something greater. Every story teaches the same lesson. Never lose hope. Sometimes Allah closes one door because another one is waiting. Sometimes the delay is protection. Sometimes the pain becomes the reason you return to your Creator. The strongest believers are not those who never struggle. They are the ones who continue trusting Allah despite the struggle. Prayer becomes their strength. The Quran becomes their comfort. Patience becomes their shield. And Tawakkul becomes their peace. The world tells people to rely on themselves. Islam teaches something greater. Do your best, work hard, keep making dua. Then leave the results to Allah, because the one who controls the heavens and the earth also controls your future. No problem is too great for Allah. No dream is impossible for Him. No heart is too broken for His mercy. Perhaps the answer to your dua is already on its way. Perhaps Allah is preparing something better than you imagined. So never stop praying. Never stop believing. Never stop trusting. Keep your heart connected to Allah through every success and every hardship. Because the journey of a believer is never about having an easy life. It is about having a heart that remains close to Allah in every situation. And when that happens, even the darkest night becomes filled with hope.